I'd like to show you a flip through of my latest junk journal, and as you can see, it's another chunky one, and it's called See the World. We have layers upon layers of lace, fabric, and all the way round. I'm just going to go through it, but as you can see, it's very chunky. The front has a picture of Mia and Charlie, and this story is all about them. So Mia and Charlie would like to invite you on their journey, and it's just a collection of memories of their life together. And I'm just going to flip through it. I'm not going to talk too much. This is the family, little booklet, lots of journaling space for you. This has took quite a long time to make. I've got some gorgeous notepads and ephemera in the pockets. A little poem about Charlie. And a lovely pocket with a vintage bookmark. An evening wedding invitation. And another. If you take that out, this will flip open. And you've got a little invitation there to a dance they went to. That tucks in the top. This is just an added page. Nice vintage letter in there for whoever buys the journal to investigate and discover. Another little added page with some lace. The church they got married in. Again, lots of writing space on the back. These are some of the remnants of dresses that she had and some of the samples of fabric for her wedding dress. Let your dreams blossom. And I like to think she would use a notepad like that to just jot down all her ideas for her wedding. And in here, this is her goal. This is the wedding cake she made out of an old magazine, an old cookbook. So, see, keeping that nice and safe. But Charlie was an adventurer and a traveller, and he would go off on adventures. This is Mont St Michael, a vintage postcard, just to represent his travels. I love this. It's so old. And again, I like to think he would have had a little notebook to write in about his thoughts while he's travelling. Some old paper to a magazine, vintage writing paper. And thinking about the time he would come home and stop travelling and be with his Mia. I think I put another, nope, that's not another ticket. So there's stamps to represent all the countries. Oh, I didn't show you the dangle. Got dangles. They've got dangles. More postage stamps off a letter he would have sent home. Look, little tiny envelope with another tiny envelope inside. And it flips. And there's just journaling cards, ephemera inside. theatre tickets, and a photo of a village he might have stayed in. We've got a writing board for leaning on so that you don't go through the pages. Very old photograph. These are copies, they're not the originals, but I have copied them onto photo paper. So they're quite thick and chunky. Got some vintage letters. And how cool would it have been if this was them in their old age? And that's like an over-the-top page topper. Big tag. Little spots for journaling. And beautiful writing paper. And maybe that was him and his daughter. Tucked in a vintage handkerchief there. More travels. This was, I don't know. Just a vintage postcard for journaling on. Little double pocket with some tags in. And a photo of Mia and her friends on a day out. She lived her life while he went travelling. Little tuck page there. Tuck there, and another little booklet in here with a tiny little photo. So just some grungy flipped. Another letter that you can journal on the back of. It's waiting for the post. So this would be the church they got married in. And you can, if you wish, take this out because it's just held in with corners. I covered it with the lace from the wedding dress. Oh, you stuck. So we've got a vintage page for an old, I think it's the 1800s book about lace. Tucked into this pocket here. And some more lace. Maybe this was the button off the wedding dress. Or the spare. A couple of tags. And a flip up with a picture of Charlie on his travels in the fabric pocket. Paper bag, just for the texture and the noise. How beautiful is that? Or the pinks and the whites from the wedding dress. Oh, we're stuck. And then we have a nice horseshoe representing the wedding. And for a walk. And this is just a little notepad attached to the page for more journaling space. And that just, the whole thing just flips over. A nice pocket here with a tag. Dressmaking. Obviously they used to make their own clothes, so needed a dressmaker's dummy. Patiently waiting till when he came home. Of course, my cat. So, big journaling card here, which just tucks there and under there. And it's just a very cute little pocket tuck with some cards in and a big piece of ephemera in the pocket more writing, more letters. It's all about the letters. And in the last one, very grungy cover on this one, and he's making his way home. And here you can write your own memories. Here's to you. Nice gold star there. And he's very happy to be coming home and spending the rest of his life with Mia. So you can make up the story. Oh, there they go. Together. Nice tag at the back. So there we go. A little story about Charlie and Mia. Love conquers all. She waited patiently for him while he was off travelling, enjoyed her life, and then they spent the rest of it together. So I do hope you like the flip through. And if you are interested in the journal, please let me know in the comments below, or send me an email. My email address is linked in the description box. Thank you. Bye, guys.